Exercise 12.2, question number 7 we will study now. Let's see the question. A kite in the shape of a square with a diagonal 32 centimeter. A kite is in the shape of a square. This one is a square of diagonal 32 centimeter. Its diagonal is 32 centimeter. This diagonal is 32 centimeter. Remember that in a square, diagonals are equal. In a square, diagonals are equal. So, this diagonal is 32 centimeter means this one also will be 32 centimeter. And the diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. Then here we can mark it this one. That is A, B, C, D, E, F. Just we will mark it as A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D is the square. AC and BD are the diagonal. In a square, diagonals are equal. So AC 32 centimeter, then BD also will be 32 centimeter. Then here mark it this one as center, that is diagonals intersect at the point O. And a property is there in a square, diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other means one diagonal will divide other diagonal into two equal parts. So BO is equal to OD is equal to how much you will get answer? 16 centimeter. That is BD is equal to 12 centimeter. Sorry, 32 centimeter. Then OEC midpoint of BD, because in a square diagonals bisect each other. One diagonal will divide other diagonal into two equal parts. So BO is equal to, we will get 16 centimeter. AO is equal to 16 centimeter, and OC is also 16 centimeter. We will get 16 centimeter. Now, what is the question here? And again, one more thing is there. A kite in the shape of a square with a diagonal 32 centimeter and an isosceles triangle. What is an isosceles triangle? Two sides are equal, then it is called an isosceles triangle. Here it is an isosceles triangle, this one. Isosceles triangle of base 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter each, sides 6 centimeter, base 8 centimeter and sides 6 centimeter, base 8 centimeter, and the sides base it is 8 centimeter, and these sides it is 6 centimeter, and this one also 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter is to be made of three different shades, three different shades we have to give as shown in the figure, and figure it is given there in the textbook. The one shade is this one is the one shade, and here second one is this one, and third one is isosceles triangle. So these three shades we have to give. Then what is the question? How much paper of each shade has been used in it? How much area of paper used in it? That is each shade, different shade. Shade 1 how much paper, shade 2 how much paper, and shade 3 how much paper used there, that we have to find out. Okay, now first we have to find out shade 1. For that we will write in square diagonal is equal to how much centimeter? 32 centimeter. Diagonal is equal to 32 centimeter. Then we can write in a square diagonal bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. Therefore, we can write AO is equal to OC is equal to how much centimeter? 16 centimeter. Or we can write AO is equal to OC is equal to BO is equal to OD is equal to, it will come 16 centimeter. 32 divided by 2, that is 16 centimeter. Then next we can write, therefore area of shade 1 is equal to, we can use the formula 1 by 2 into base into height, that is 1 by 2 into base BD into height AO. It is in the form of a square only, and its a base and a height it is there. So using that base and height, we can find out the area of shade 1. So area of shade 1 is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height, that is 1 by 2 into base is BD and height is AO. 1 by 2 into base BD is equal to, BD is the diagonal is equal to how much centimeter? 32 centimeter into AO is equal to how much centimeter? 16 centimeter. Now divide it, 16 divided by 2, that is 8. Then that is equal to 1 into 32, 32 into 8. 8 2s are 16, 6 remainder 1, 8 3s are 24 plus 1, 25 centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. That is area of shade 1. Now we can find out area of shade 2. Shade 2 is also in the form of a triangle only. It is also in the form of a triangle. So using 1 by 2 into base into height, we can find out the area of shade 1. Okay, next we will find out area of shade 1. Area of shade 2. Area of shade 2 is equal to, we can use same formula, 1 by 2 into base into height, that is equal to 1 by 2 into base. Which one is the base? Yes, BD is the base into height is different here, that is OC is the height, BD is the base and OC is the height. So BD into OC, that is equal to 1 by 2 into BD, that is diagonal 32 centimeter, into OC is equal to how much centimeter? 16 centimeter. 16 divided by 2, that is 8. 32 into 2, what is the answer? 256. 256 centimeter into centimeter, that is centimeter square. That is area of shade 2. Now we have to find out area of shade 3. In this case, we have to use, it is an isosceles triangle. All the 3 sides it is given there, so we have to use the Heron's formula. So now we will write, in isosceles triangle, CEF, A is equal to 6 centimeter, B is equal to 6 centimeter, and C is equal to 8 centimeter. Therefore, S is equal to semi-perimeter. S is equal to, what is the formula? A plus B plus C divided by 2, that is equal to 6 plus 8 divided by 2 is equal to 6 plus 6, 12 plus 8, 12 plus 8, 20 divided by 2, it will come 10. Therefore, area of shade 3, that is area of isosceles triangle. Using Heron's formula, we have to find out that is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now substitute value here, that is equal to square root of S is equal to 10 into 10 minus 6 into 10 minus 6 into 10 minus 8. That is equal to square root of 10 into 10 minus 6, that is 4 into 10 minus 6, 4 into 10 minus 8, 2. Then that is equal to square root of 2 into 5 is equal to 10 into 2 2s are 4 into 2 2s are 4 into last one more 2 is there, that is equal to, now inside the square root, if 2 factors are same, then we can take out that. So take out that 2 into 2, we can take out that 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 5 only 1, so we cannot take out that. It should be inside the square root, that is root 5. That is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 root 5 centimeter square. That is the area of shade 3. So here we got area of shade 1 is equal to 256 centimeter square, area of shade 2 is equal to 256 centimeter square, and area of shade 3 is equal to 8 root 5 centimeter square. Okay, now question number 8. A floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles which are triangular. The sides of the triangle being 9 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 35 centimeter. Find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 pies per centimeter square. A floral design, that figure it is given there in your textbook, please draw it. Then, and it is total 16 tiles are there. A floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles. Total 16 tiles are there, which are triangular. Then all these 16 tiles are triangular in shape. The sides of the triangle being 9 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 35 centimeter. Find the cost of polishing. Find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 pies per centimeter square. So here we can write. First we have to find out the area of one tile. That is here cost we have to find out. If 1 centimeter square area we have to give 50 pies, then total how much centimeter square area is there, that we have to find out. Into we will multiply 50 pies, then we will get the cost of polishing the tiles. So here we will write in one triangular piece area, first we will find out, into 16 we will multiply to get all the total area of 16 tiles. So first we can write here A is equal to 9 centimeter, B is equal to 28 centimeter, and C is equal to 35 centimeter. Now find out S. Therefore semi perimeter S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2, 9 plus 28 plus 35 divided by 2, that is equal to 9 plus 28 plus 35, 28 plus 9, that is 37, plus 35, 12 2 remainder 1, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7, 72 divided by 2, 3 2s are 6, remainder 1, 12, 6 2s are 12, so that will come 36. So 9 plus 28 plus 35, it is 72 divided by 2 is equal to 36. So semi perimeter S is equal to 36. Therefore area of one tile, we will find out first. One tile is equal to, area of one tile is equal to, we have to use the formula, Heron's formula, square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Then that is equal to square root of, substitute value, S is equal to, we got 36 into 36 minus 9 into 36 minus 28 into 36 minus 35. Then that is equal to the square root of 36 into 36 minus 9, 16 minus 9, 16 minus 9 is equal to 7, remainder here 2, 27. Then into 36 minus 28, 16 minus 8, 8, 2 minus 2, 0. Then into 36 minus 35, that is 1. That is equal to square root of, we have to factorize it, 36 we have to factorize, and 27 also. Factorize 36 divided by 2, 1, 18 divided by 2, 9, 3 3s are 9, 27 divided by 3, 9 3s are 27 divided by 3, 3. So 36 divided by 36, when we are factorizing, we will get 2 into 3 into 3 into 27, 3 into 3 into 3 into 8, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Then that is equal to, what will get answer? 2 into 2, we can take out 2 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 2 into 2, 2 into 3 2s are 6, that we cannot take out, it will come inside the square root, that is root 6. That is equal to 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36 root 6. Then that is equal to 36 into root 6 value we have to find out by using long division method. Root 6, 6.000000, and find out a perfect square less than or equal to 6, that is 4 only. 2 2s are 4, remainder 2, point we have to put it here, 0 0. Then 2 plus 2, that is 4, find out a digit here, 40. Let's see 45, 45 do not come, then also we will see 45, 45 into 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 remainder 2, 4 5s are 20 plus 2, 22. 44 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 6 remainder 1, 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 17. So 4 times it will go, 4 4s are 16, 6 remainder 1, 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 17. Now subtract it, 10 minus 6, 4, 9 minus 7, 2, 1 minus 1, 0. Bring down the next pair, that is 0 0. 44 plus 1, that is 48. Find out a digit here, 2400, 485, 485 into 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 remainder 2, 5 8s are 40 plus 2, 42, 2 remainder 4, 4 5s are 20 plus 4, 24, 4 5s are 20 plus 4, 24, 2425. But here it is 2400 only, so it will come 4 times only. 4 4s are 16, 6, remainder 1. 4 8s are 32 plus 1, 33, 3, remainder 3. 4 4s are 16 plus 3, 19. Now subtract it. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 3, 6. 13 minus 9, 4. 1 minus 1, 0. Bring down the next pair, 0, 0. 484 plus 4, 488. One digit we have to find out. Here it is 46,400. And here it is 4,880. 4,885 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 remainder 2. 5 8s are 40 plus 2, 42, 2 remainder 4. 5 8s are 40 plus 4, 44, 4 remainder 4. 4 5s are 20 plus 4, 24. 24,425 only. So more than 5 it will come. More than 5. Then no need of finding out that more than 5 it will come. So correcting up to then here it is 6 or 7 it will come. Then correcting up to 2 decimal points it will come 2.45. That is 36 into 2.45. Then that is equal to, multiply this. Then don't write here 7, it is not exact. Then that is 2.44. More than 5 it will come. Here into 5 means it will come 24,400 only. Here 46,000 is there. So more than 5 it will come. Then we can correct up to 2 decimal points. Then it will come. It will become 5. So 2.45. Now multiply this. 2.45 into 36. 2.45 into 36. 6 5s are 30, 0, remainder 3. 6 4s are 24 plus 3, 27, 7, remainder 2. 6 2s are 12 plus 2, 12 plus 2, 14. 3 5s are 15, 5, remainder 1. 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13, 3, remainder 1. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7, 0. 5 plus 7, 12, 2, remainder 1. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8. 7 plus 1, 8. How many decimal points? 2 decimal points. So 88.20. That is equal to 88.20 centimeter square. That is the area of one tile. Total how many tiles are there? 16 tiles are there. Therefore we have to write, therefore area of 16 tiles is equal to, area of 16 tiles is equal to 16 into 88.20 centimeter square. That is equal to, multiply now. 16 into 88.20. Here we can multiply. 16. 6 into 0, 0. 6 2s are 12, 2, remainder 1. 6 8 are 48 plus 1, 49, 9, remainder 4. 6 8s are 48 plus 4, 52. 1 into 0, 0. 1 2s are 2. 1 8s are 8. 1 8s are 8. 0, 2. 9 plus 2, 11, 1, remainder 1. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1. 11, 1, remainder 1. 8 plus 5, 13 plus 1, 14. How many decimal points? 2 decimal points. 1411.20. 1411.20 centimeter square. That is the area of 16 tiles. Now we have to find out the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 pies per centimeter square. If it is 1 centimeter square, then cost of polishing is 50 pies. Then total 1411.20 centimeter square is there. So we have to find out its cost. Therefore, cost of polishing is equal to, what will get answer? 1411.20 centimeter square into 50 pies per centimeter square. 50 pies per centimeter square. So here centimeter square we can cancel. That is equal to 1411.20 into 50 pies we will convert into rupees. 50 pies, how much rupees? That is 1 rupee means 100 pies. So 50 pies it will come half rupee. That is rupees 50 divided by 100. Rupees 50 divided by 100. That is equal to 0, 0 we can cancel. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Then divide it by 2, we will get the answer. Then 1411.20 into 1 is equal to, it will come 1411.20. 1411.20 divided by 2 rupees. Then that is equal to rupees 14 divided by 2, 7 2s are 48, 1 divided by 2 is not possible, 0. 11 divided by 2, 5 2s are 10, remainder 1, point 12, 6 2s are 12, and 2 divided by 0, 0. So what is answer? Rupees 705.60. That means 705 rupees and 60 pice we have to give for polishing these 16 tiles. Okay, now question number 9. See the question. A field is in the shape of a trapezium. A field is in the shape of a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. What is by a trapezium? Any one pair of opposite sides are parallel is called a trapezium. In this trapezium I have drawn AB and DC are parallel. Any one pair of opposite sides are parallel, that is in a quadrilateral, any one pair of opposite sides are parallel, then it is called a trapezium. And here this field is in the shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter. This one is 25 meter, longer parallel side is 25 meter, and this one is 10 meter, AB 10 meter. And the non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. Non-parallel sides AD and BC are the non-parallel sides. Non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. Then what is the question? Find the area of the field. We have to find out the area of that field. Okay, now first we have to write, let ABCD be the trapezium. ABCD be the trapezium in which AB is equal to 10 meter, DC is equal to 25 meter, AD is equal to 14 meter, and BC is equal to 13 meter. All the given values. Now we are going to construct a line. Draw AE parallel to BC, and after that we have to draw AE parallel to BC and AF perpendicular to DC. AE parallel to BC and AF perpendicular to DC we will draw. AE parallel to BC, this one. AE and BC should be parallel. AE, this one is AE, it is parallel to BC. AE, this one I have drawn AE, it should be parallel to BC. Then after that we will draw AF perpendicular to DC. This one is AF perpendicular to DC. Now you see AF perpendicular to DC. Then therefore AE parallel to BC. Therefore we can write, therefore AE is equal to, how much it will come? AE is equal to 13 meter, EC is equal to 10 meter, and therefore EC is equal to 10 meter, therefore DE is equal to 25 minus 10, that is equal to 15 meter. Now you see here I have drawn AE parallel to BC. Already this AB and DC are parallel, and BC parallel to AE. Therefore it is that is ABCE become a parallelogram. ABCE it become a parallelogram. Then in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal and parallel. So this AB is equal to 10 meter, then EC is equal to, how much it will come? It will come 10 meter. Then BC is equal to 13 meter, so AE is equal to, how much it will come? 13 meter. Now DC is equal to 25 meter. DC total length is 25 meter, and EC is equal to 10 meter. Then D is equal to, how much it will come? D is equal to 25 minus 10, that is equal to 15 meter. Okay, now we will find out the area of triangle ADE. Area of triangle ADE. Therefore area of triangle ADE is equal to, now we are going to find out area of triangle ADE. Then for that we will write, in triangle ADE, A is equal to 13 meter, B is equal to 14 meter, and C is equal to 15 meter. In triangle ADE, this one is triangle ADE. In triangle ADE, A is equal to one side I took 13 meter, next side 14 meter, and third side is 15 meter. Now find out semi-perimeter. S is equal to, S is equal to, what is the formula? A plus B plus C divided by 2, that is equal to 13 meter plus 14 meter plus 15 meter divided by 2, that is equal to 13 plus 14, 27, 27 plus 10, 37, 37 plus 5, 37 plus 5, it will come 42, 42 divided by 2, that is equal to 21. 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12, 2, remainder 1, 1 plus 1, 2, plus 1, 3, plus 1, 4, divided by 2, it will come 21. Therefore, area of triangle ADE, area of triangle ADE is equal to, what is the formula? Square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, that is equal to, substitute value there, square root of S is equal to 21 into 21 minus 13 into 21 minus 14 into 21 minus 15, that is equal to square root of 21 into 21 minus 13, 8 into 21 minus 14, 7 into 21 minus 15, 6, that is equal to square root of 7 3s are 21 into 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 into 7 into 2 3s are 6, that is equal to 7 into 7 we can take out 7 into 3 into 3 we can take out 3 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 2. Now multiply this. 7 3s are 21, 21 2s are 42, 42 2s are 84 meters square, 84 meters square. That is the area of triangle ADE, 84 meters square. Then here we can write, therefore area of triangle ADE is equal to, what is the answer? 84 meters square. Area of triangle ADE is equal to, we can write 1 by 2 into base into height is equal to 84 meters square. 1 by 2 into, which one is the base? DE into height AF. Here you see, in triangle AD, area of triangle AD we got here 84 meters square. Then area of a triangle is here, we can write formula 1 by 2 into base into height also. Base and height it is here. Base is DE and height is AF. Height is AF. Therefore, 1 by 2 into DE into AF is equal to, we can write 84 meters square. Then 1 by 2 into DE value is here. What is value of DE? That is 15 meter. 15 meter into AF is equal to 84 meters square. Now 1 by 2 into 15 meter transpose into right side, we will get AF. AF is equal to 84 meters square is there right hand side, divided by 2 transpose into right side, it will become into 2 into 15 meter transpose into right side divided by 15 meter. Therefore AF is equal to 84 into 2, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 168 divided by 15, meter square, meter, 1 meter we can cancel, it will become meter. AF is equal to 168 divided by 15, that we have to divide. 168 divided by 15, 168 divided by 15, 15 ones are 15, remainder 1, 18, again 15 ones are 15, remainder 3, again digit is not there, 0, 15 twos are 30. So what is answer? 11.2. Therefore AF is equal to 11.2 meter. AF is equal to 11.2 meter. Now we can find out the area of parallelogram ABCE. Therefore area of parallelogram ABCE is equal to, what is the formula? Base into height. Area of parallelogram ABCE, base into height. Base is EC, base EC into height is AF, height of the triangle AF. That is equal to EC 10 meter into height is equal to AF. For that we find out this AF. Okay, this way we find out the value of AF to substitute there. AF is equal to, what is the value? 11.2 meter. 11.2 meter. that is equal to 10 meter into 11.2 meter. 11.2 into 10 means 1 decimal point will go right side, that is 112 meter into meter, meter square. That is the area of parallelogram ABCE. ABC. Now we can write therefore area of the field. What is the question? Find the area of the field. Therefore area of the field is equal to, therefore area of the field is equal to, area of the field is equal to, area of the field is equal to area of triangle ADE plus area of parallelogram ABCE. Area of triangle AD is equal to, what we got answer? Area of triangle AD is equal to 84 meters square. Area of triangle AD is equal to 84 meters square plus area of parallelogram ABC, that is 112 meters square. 112 meters square, that is equal to, what is answer? 4 plus 2 6, 8 plus 1 9, 196 meters square. That is the area of the field. So this was only first you have to draw this one, AE parallel to BC and AF perpendicular to DC. Then from there we will get the area of triangle ADE. Then from the area of triangle ADE we have to find out the height AF 11.2 meter. After that only we will get area of parallelogram ABC, base into height. Then area of field is equal to area of triangle ADE plus area of parallelogram ABCE. 84 meter square plus 112 meter square is equal to, you will get answer 196 meter square. That is the answer.